me, your pets are truly members of the family, and of course you want them to eat a healthy diet. So do your part to know what's really in your pet food. It's important to know that there are currently no laws governing the labeling of pet foods. Some companies use private organic certifications, but you'll have to do a little legwork to find out exactly what that means. Other pet food products are labeled with terms like premium or gourmet, but neither of these fancy terms is regulated by the Food and Drug Administration. The word natural on pet food bags generally means that the food contains no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives, but be sure to read the label. So what's really best for your dog? Vets suggest looking for the phrase complete and balanced. This means the food is nutritionally complete and can be your pet's main or only source of nutrition. Also, be sure to check the list of ingredients so you'll always know what's really in your dog's food. So do your part to make sure you're getting the best food for your pet.